Taking a trip on an airplane anytime soon? Which do you want first, the bad news or the good news? Okay, the bad news. A new computer simulation shows just how far sneeze particles travel in a crowded airplane cabin. Engineers simulated the airflow to show how a sneeze spreads in the enclosed space to help public health officials better understand and potentially combat airborne infectious diseases. The engineers identified the zone most likely to be infected by a nearby sneezer. The good news? Researchers say the risk of catching something isn't as high as you'd think. While it's certainly possible to get sick from another passenger, it doesn't happen nearly as often as it could, given the high volume of air traffic. Which is good, because you've already got that crying baby on your red eye to worry about.